Bonjour, mes étudiants. Hello, children. Welcome back to your French class. Under this topic, le adjectif, we are going to study how to make the feminines and the plurals of adjectives. So let's begin. Before we start, let me tell you the rule. In French, an adjective always agrees with the number and gender of the noun it qualifies or it refers to. That means an adjective will change according to the number of the noun and according to the gender of the noun. Let us first start with le féminin de l'adjectif, that is the feminine of adjective. Let us see the general rule. When you have to change a masculine singular form to the feminine, you just add an E to it. So you just add an E to the masculine singular form to change it into feminine. Let us see the examples. In the masculine, the first example is petit. Petit means small, that is an adjective. And if I have to change it into feminine, I will add an E at the back and it becomes petite. So petit, petite. See the second example. It is grand. Grand means big or tall. That is used for the masculine gender. And if I have to change it into feminine, I will again add an E and it becomes grande. So it's grand for masculine and grande for feminine. The third one is anglais. Anglais means English. If I have to say he is anglais, this means he is an English person, right? And if I have to change it into feminine, I will add an E as the back and it becomes anglaise. Now let us see an example which I have taken for you. In the masculine form, it is John est petit. This means John is small. Now if I have to talk about a girl who is small, I will say, see the example, it is Ria est petite. This means Ria is small. Now children, see the difference in both the examples. John is masculine, so the adjective used is petit, and Ria is feminine, so the adjective used is petite. Let us see rule number 2. Rule number 2 says if the adjective ends in IEN. So to change it into femina, you will add IENNE. That is, you will remove IEN and instead of that, you will add IENNE. Let us see the examples. The first example is in the masculine, I have taken Indian. That means Indian. This means he is Indian. And if I have to say about a girl that she is Indian, so in the femina, I will change it into Indian. So I will remove IEN and instead of that, I will add IENNE, Indian. Let us see the second one. The second word is L'Italien. That means Italian. He is an Italian person. And if I have to use that for the feminines in femina, so the word will be remove IEN and instead of that add IENNE. So that becomes L'Italien. Now let us see the example. Under the masculine, I have to say that John is Indian, right? So John is a boy, masculine. So I will say John est Indien. And if I have to say that Ria is Indian, Ria is a girl, so I will say Ria est Indienne. Moving to rule number 3, if the adjectives end in IF, so you will remove IF and instead of that you will add IVE. Let us see the example. The adjective taken over here is athletic, that boy is athletic. So for masculine, I will say sportif And if I have to change it into feminine, that she is athletic, so I will remove if, and instead of that I will put ive. So the word becomes sportive. In masculine it is sportive, and in femina it is sportive. See the examples. If I have to say John is athletic, I will say John is sportive. And if I have to say Ria is athletic, so I will say Ria is sportive. Let us see the last rule. Last rule says if the adjectives end in E, so to change it into feminine, there will be no change. Let us see the examples. Under the masculine, I have taken the first word is jeune, that means young. So in femina, it also remains the same. It is jeune. Let us see the second example. I have taken mince, that is slim. So in feminine, it also remains the same. Let us see the example. I have to say John is young. So in French, I will say John est jeune. And in femina, if I have to say Ria is young, so I will say Ria est jeune. Moving to the next topic, that is la pluriel de l'adjectif. That is how to make the plural of an adjective. So let's see the rules. Let us see the general rule, children. If you have to make an adjective plural, you will add an s to the singular form. So let us see the examples. In the singular one, I have taken the word petit, that is small. Let us change it into plural. So to make it into plural, you will add an s at the back, right? But the pronunciation for both these words remains the same. This is also petit, and in plural also it is petit. Let us see the second example. The second one is grand. Grand means big or tall, as we've already talked about this word before. So to make it into plural, add an s at the back and it becomes grand. Now see the examples very carefully. So the first example is, if I have to say John is small, right? That is singular. So let us change it into French. It is John est petit. John est petit. So children, you will see here that John is singular. So the adjective used over here is also in singular form. See the other example now. Now if I have to say John and Jay are small, so let us change that to French. It is John et Jay. This means John and Jay. For R, the word is sont. Sont. Now these are plurals. There we're talking about two boys, so the adjective will also change into plural. You will write petit with the s at the back. So the sentence becomes John et Jay sont petits. Now, if we are talking about two girls, right? So if I have to say Ria and Sia are small. Now let us change this sentence into French. So it becomes Ria et Sia. This means Ria and Sia sont petits, are small. So what is the difference between this petit and this petit? This is the plural form in the masculine and this is the plural form in the feminine. So this is masculine plural and this is feminine plural. Let us see the second rule, children. If the adjectives end in s and you have to change it into the plural form, there will be no change because there is already an s at the back. So let us see the example. In the singular form, I have taken the word anglais, that means English. And if I have to change it into the plural form, so it again remains the same. It is again anglais. Now see the example carefully. If I have to say John is English, he's an English person, he's an Englishman. So I will say John est anglais. John is English. And on the other hand, if I have to say Ria and John are anglais, so I will say Ria et John sont anglais. Ria et John sont anglais. This means Ria and John are English. So children, I hope this topic is clear to you. It is a very important topic. You need to memorize all these rules and keep on practicing them as to how you can make the feminines of the adjectives and how you can make the plurals of adjectives. So keep learning. Au revoir.